Nice cut off. Red light run. And he don't know what red light means. He don't know what red lights mean. Yeah. I'm not a big fan of Nirvana, but that's a good song. They should change the lyrics to that. Kurt, get on it. Oh wait, he's dead. Never mind.
Nasha says, as I drop my head into my hands and the rest of the cabin bursts out laughing. I am sorry, Speaker says.
Red light run.
No, Cat says.
Exit dive up there. Pedestrian, oh.
So good. So once all of the moisture on that
that was red, Scroobaroo. And there was a car coming too.
It can now toast the bread.
Exactly. And so that kind of, I started just realizing this is not okay. Like, I'm having him still very much.
I'm guessing he's relatively young.
He was, yeah, he died when he was 57. It was
What
kind of sudden. You know, we found out he had stayed.
Why are you driving on the wrong side of the street? What the fuck are you doing? The fuck? What the fuck is that? What the hell did I just witness? Douchebag. And I'm going to call him a douchebag because even though he's going for the exit, he was in that shoulder for a really long time. And so this is the stolen Kia guy.
What if I say no?
We will stop.
Then yes, yes is yes. Yes.
Oh, what's
It's a house Thursday.
really?
Thursday.
I get that there's like not enough room to get to the exit. Do you guys want to get around the traffic jam? But come on. You gotta do better than that.
Says, you two are overthinking this. Marshall isn't some kind of supervillain from an adventure vid.
Nice cut
I
off.
know you think he's a monster, Mickey. Always been like this. I stopped walking and turned to look at her. Like what?
Nice cut off.
This, she says, and waves her arm.
Financial decisions based on your prophecies, but if there's somebody in your neighborhood that you don't like, encourage them to make financial decisions based on your prophecies. How could it go?
Indeed.
Right there, Ron.
And then, so what? What now? Yeah. So clearly, yeah, that's a great point. And I mean, like,
Red light, Ron.
Don't mind me. Let me go get my cry ball. This story comes from Gizmodo. The White House keeps a loyalty scorecard.
No, stop.
According to a report. This is just McCarthyism, man. Yeah, and
You'll find the meeting, you better wake up. No, stop.
I don't like rubbing in. I'm not rubbing it in on a team that has 27 championships and we have 9. I'm not going to, in one fucking season, we're getting the better of you. I'm not one of those douches. You know? And there's a lot of Red Sox fans like that.
You're one of those douches over there that's sitting at the green light. Waiting for, yeah, there you go now. Wake up!
They're underground, and then when their team wins, all of a sudden they pop up. You get a text. And you look at the text thread, you haven't heard from them in a couple of years. Those fucking
Red light, Ron. Really, dude? What's all these freaking buses that think they're smaller and faster than they really are? Freaking RTS, they've been popping up on my videos more often.
You know it, your homies know it. Everybody fucking know. Fuck you, nigga. Call me, no.
Red light, Ron.
If you're a hospital listening, you should come and bring people in your community because you need talent. And this
Red light, Ron.
So what we find counts is certainly people that are involved in anything.
He's putting forward. I think there's some other interesting context though, because I don't think it's 100% unlikely that Potoff and Swan had met before. I think it's relatively likely that they weren't total strangers to each other. Because Ingo Swan, this psychic, was a prominent Scientologist. I looked this
nice cut off.
Scientology in 1966. He became a Scientology select.
Nice cut off.
They're counting the hits here, but he had some misses. He said the rings were inside the atmosphere. He didn't say the rings were outside.
Hello?
He said the rings were inside the atmosphere. That's a miss. That's not a hit. That's a miss. And then he says it looks like there's an enormous mountain range. There's no.
Red light, Ron. Something happened along the way. No one knows how to run the red lights.
So I put this record on KLOS, and it just sounded. You would never play
Red light, Ron.
a song on KLOS. And I get this call again on the.
We have been trying to draw attention to the chaos that all of our
No stop.
have to deal with every day. And so I am.
I want you to understand how much it hurts me to say this.
No stop.
Get me that bomb behind it. Socrates was too classy for a regular stabbing, and he's got until sundown to do it.
That was a die for the left turn lane.
I want him to wait until the last red and one green. They plug into the console. There are 2 slots there, just to the right of the thumb pad. That makes the whole thing go. The slots are identical. Which cable goes to which slot?
Nice cut off.
Mickey? No, she says. You had a memory down?
Nice cut off.
Why not just pull up and on